Welcome back to the Midday News. Now, the Midday Sports Roundup.
Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren says there can be no excuses for tonight's CONCACAF Nations League game against Nicaragua as the boys look to take sole leadership of Group B in League A. After a draw at home to Cuba, the Reggae Boys managed to beat Honduras away in their last game to be on 4 points, the same as Nicaragua. Speaking ahead of the game, McLaren says he does not expect the game to be easy, but the Reggae Boys must show their quality.
This is going to be a very difficult game. I've told the players already. Nicaragua are a good team, and at home, a strong team. We have no excuses. We must produce our quality, and that's why I'm here. Because the talent within the squad is so good. The potential is so big, and we have to realise that in the months, the journey, there's going to be a lot of tests. And tomorrow is going to be a big test for the team.
Tonight's game kick off at 9. After 2 years out, almost to the day, former Jamaica Scorpions captain John Campbell is back on the island playing cricket after his anti-doping ban in 2022. Campbell, who was initially slapped with a 4-year ban for evading, refusing or failing to submit to sample collection, had his time of ineligibility reduced to 22 months after appealing to the Court of Arbitration for Sport CAS. After returning to the island on Tuesday, Campbell scored 118 from 94 deliveries on Wednesday in the final trial game for the Scorpions before the team was picked for the upcoming Super 50 Cup.
I'm not sure I could put it in words. It's been a while, obviously. I haven't played, but it's always good to play cricket at Savannah. And I play cricket with, guys who I grew up with. So it's always good to play cricket.
The Jamaica Scorpion squad, which was picked on Wednesday, will be announced on Friday. Finally, visitors England are on the verge of a historic win as they are 4 wickets away from victory, heading into day 5 of the first test against Pakistan in Malton. It was a memorable day 4 for the visitors thanks to career best scores from Joe Root and Harry Brook. Almost 1,400 runs were scored across the first innings alone as England, who resumed day 4 at 492 for 3 in reply to Pakistan's 556 all-out, piled up 823 for 7 declared. Brook with a maiden triple century of 317 and England's all-time leading run scoring test, Joe Root, 262, added 454 runs for the 4th wicket, which is now the highest for England in tests and also the highest for a 4th wicket stand or lower. For the Pakistan bowlers, Saim Ayub took 2 for 101, while Naseem Shah had 2 for 157. This as every bowler with more than 2 overs conceded over 100 runs. Now, after taking a battering in the field, Pakistan are on the ropes at stumps at 152 for 6, still 115 runs away from making England bat again. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.